Hi there! Here are this week's vocabulary words. They are all F words with the F sound. The first word is further. I can go further than I think. The next word is find. Where can I find an English book? The next word is fill. I am filling a cup of water. The next word is face. I like beautiful faces. The next word is friends. How many friends do you have? The next word is files. Where can I find Johanna's paper files? The next word is father. My father is kind. The next word is full. My cup isn't full. The next word is films. I like to watch science fiction films. And those are the words for this week. Thank you. Talk to you soon.